when there's a filler, the last consonant in the previous syllable rolls over to the next filler.
Oh, okay.
So that way you can easily pronounce it. Yeah?
개 좋아해요?
예, 아주 좋아해요. So just visualize you are choking yourself.
Yeah.
No air in the back of your mouth, towards the throat.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
So come. Thanks for visiting today. We're going to talk about how to pronounce double G. It's quite an adventure for non-Koreans. Please don't forget to subscribe with notifications. So now diphthongs are almost done. Two vowels combined, you can actually pronounce those two vowels in a row as fast as you can, but there's only one diphthong that you cannot do that. That is this guy. O plus E. O plus E. In theory, it should be oi, right?
Right.
But no. Oi, we. We.
Right.
And the next one is the vowel. Vowel is in the middle.
Ooh.
U is the vowel.
Ooh.
Gu as in gun. Gu as in gun, right?
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Gu. Wegu. Wegu.
What's that?
Mm-hmm. What would that be? Foreign country.
Wegu.
Wegu.
How do you say America?
Migu.
Migu.
Migu. So Migu is America. Han. Excellent. Han.
Good.
There we go.
Good.
Hangeul. 미국 is America. 외국 is foreign country. 한국 is Korea.
Oh.
Oh, this be. Let's read first.
Where?
Yes. Where?
Good.
Good.
Oh.
All
right.
as in before. So the pronunciation for this is we, go, we, gu, go. So this is the spelling. But for your, easy read, we, gu, go, go. Because when there's a filler, the last consonant in the previous syllable rolls over to the next filler.
Oh, okay.
So that way you can easily pronounce it. Yeah. What would that be? Foreign language.
Foreign language.
외국어, King Kong. This is good and this is good, right? So same family, so similar sounds, and Korean alphabets look alike as well. Now we have this. Put those, you put good together. Gu, double gu. And it's really hard to, it's a tensed, so in spelling, typically Koreans put double K. Right? So it's not really ku sound, it's gu, gu sound. For example, let me show you. Chewing gum. We say gum.
Gum.
So it's not gum, it's gum. So the way how you pronounce it is like switch your mouth.
Gum.
Okay. Now, when you pronounce gu, your tongue touches over here. Okay. And then there's a little air in here. Okay. Now, when you pronounce double gu, you pronounce gu, but you make here airtight.
Good.
Exactly. That's it. Good. So just visualize you are choking yourself. No air in the back of your mouth, towards the throat.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
So come. Now what's this? It's easy. Gu, ku. Gu, ku. So, ku, o. Kong, exactly. Good job.
Kong.
Oh, what would that be?
Beans? Oh, okay.
콩 좋아해요? 콩 좋아해요?
콩 좋아해.
콩 좋아해요.
콩 좋아해.
좋아해요. 콩 좋아해요.
That is a question. So I would say 콩 좋아해.
Still you need yo.
콩 좋아해요.
Sesame seeds.
Oh, okay. 게 좋아해요?
게 아주 좋아해요. 예, 아주 좋아해요. 아주 좋아해요. 아주 very.
아주 very.
아주 좋아해요. We cover the first tensed consonant. There are 4 more of these double consonants. And that's it. Then we cover all the alphabet letters.
Oh, okay.
We need 4 more sessions and then we cover everything. And then from then on, we can just go on, learn more vocabulary and even sentence structures. Sounds good?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's it for
All right.
today. And
감사합니다.
네. I typically upload my new YouTube videos on Mondays and or Thursdays every week. I love to see you back here at my channel. Thank you so much for learning Korean with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.